chatter subsides, we sit down, we've been here before. With the window still broken, the breeze makes you go close the door. Is it time, to stop making memories? It is time to start saying please. You got a view from above, I'm outnumbered by you and your horse. Still I reach out my hand, you laugh and don't need it, of course. Is it time to stop making memories? It is time to start saying please. The kingdom came calling, but you never picked up the phone. With your head in the sand, too afraid you'll be overthrown. I'll take what I'll get, but I'm guessing it's nothing at all. I won't fight anymore, I give up, yes, you won the war. Is it time to stop making memories? It is time